Quite a lot of weather to come our way then over the next few days, and at the moment our main focus is for the thunderstorms tomorrow. That Met Office warning coming into force, a mixture of thunder, perhaps some hail, some strong gusty winds, and of course the potential for some really hefty downpours. But for now at least things look pretty quiet. Lots of dry and clear weather taking us through this evening, and it won't be until later in the night where we'll start to see a few showers just drifting into the north and the west of the patch. Even with the clear skies though, it will be a mild night and temperatures possibly on the humid side, lows of 15 to 17 degrees. But those showers will break out widely tomorrow morning. That thunderstorm warning coming into force at 10 a.m, lasting right through the day, and in particular through the afternoon. I think some really hefty showers, especially so towards the south coast. Temperature wise, actually on the face of it similar to today, but of course if you get caught in the showers it's not going to feel especially pleasant. And if you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. Southampton there 3:42 in the morning and 4:15 in the afternoon. And then beyond that, eyes turn out towards the west, of course, as we see a deepening area of low pressure coming our way as we start the new week. So it's this one we've really got our eye on. Certainly the potential for some wet and quite breezy weather on Sunday, but it's later on Monday where we could start to see things turning potentially quite stormy in places. We will, of course, keep you posted on that. This is the outlook then for the next few days. Thundery showers tomorrow, something of a respite, thankfully, through Friday and Saturday before turning a little more unsettled again thereafter. Quite a bit of weather to come our way then over the next few days, and at the moment our main focus is for tomorrow's thunderstorms. That warning coming into force from the Met Office, heavy thundery downpours, some torrential rain in places, hail, lightning and gusty winds to boot. But for now, things look pretty quiet. The earlier showers have now faded, and we're looking at dry and fairly clear conditions developing as the night wears on. But even with the clear skies, it will be quite a mild night and potentially feeling quite humid towards dawn. Temperatures probably hovering around 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. So some nice dry and bright weather initially tomorrow, but it won't be long at all before the showers start to break out quite widely. That warning coming into force from 10 a.m, lasting us right through the day, and in particular the afternoon could really bring some hefty downpours. Temperature wise, on the face of it, it doesn't look too bad, but of course underneath the showers it's not going to feel especially pleasant. If you're heading to the coast, these are the times of high water. Brighton there 3:54 in the morning and almost 4:20 in the afternoon. So then beyond that, eyes turn out towards the west. Initially on Sunday, it looks as though low pressure will bring a band of rain, perhaps some breezy conditions, but it's this low pressure on Monday that we've got our eye on, moving in off the Atlantic and potentially bringing some really quite strong winds for the time of year. We will of course keep you posted. That is something that we're just keeping our eye on at the moment. So confirmation of the forecast over the coming days then. Thundery downpours tomorrow, some further showers on Friday, albeit not expected to be as heavy. Something of a respite on Saturday before more wet and potentially windy weather thereafter.